Oh, check what we got going on in the Picker neighborhood, ladies and gentlemen. We got a new Harbor Freight store. Not only do we got a new Harbor Freight store, it's their freaking grand opening today, ladies and gentlemen. Grand opening Harbor Freight. What? Brakes are squeaking like cops or something. Like I'm the police. Some squeaky brakes. Harbor Freight's grand opening. I'm gonna go in here and see if I can get some wire strippers. See what they got for wire strippers. At night it's all friggin' lit up. All them signs are lit up and shit. It's pretty nice. Yep, I'm gonna go up in here and see what they got for wire strippers. Oh yeah. They didn't have the wire strippers we were looking for, ladies and gentlemen. They just got it for like stripping the ends off. We need some commercial grade stuff. What? We're gonna have to get on eBay and order some. Getting on eBay. Let's check the gas prices before we end the video. $2.57 a gallon. $2.99 for some diesel. What?